as you can see, this is the amount that I've made using this strategy that I'm about to show you in this video. This is a simple strategy that you can use to make money online. So as you can see, let me update this page for you to see. So as you can see here, let me update it. So as you can see, it's a live data. So this is a simple strategy that you can use to make money wherever you are in the world. And the best part is that you can use this strategy to make money even if you're a beginner, and it works worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this simple strategy to make money from home. So if you are new and you have never subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. On this channel, I post videos about how to make money online using simple strategies that you can do from wherever you are in the world. So make sure you join this channel and then watch out for my next videos. Now let's get into the details. So the first step is that you are going to come to this website, reflection.com. This website connects brands and merchants to consumers using affiliates and influencers. So you are going to join this website and then you can get brands to promote them. So once you promote them and you get a sale, you are going to be earning commission per every sale that you get. So let me log in to show you more. So as you can see here, so once you log in, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see these are the different brands that you can promote to earn a commission. So as you can see here, when you promote this product and you get a sale, you are going to earn 20% per sale. You can see another one here, 15% per sale. You can see 10% per sale. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. When you come here, you can even filter by category, so you can select any category that you want. You are just going to come here and select a category. Then you are going to find brands and merchants who are looking for affiliates to promote their products. So you are going to be connected directly to the product owner, so you can make money as fast as possible. So if you get a sale, you are going to be paid. This is a simple way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. So when you come here, let's use this one as an example. You can see that when you promote this brand, you are going to earn 10% per sale. So you can come here and then click on details to get more information about the brand or the product. So you are going to come here and then click on details. So once you click on details, when you come to payment, you can see the payment type. You can be paid through your PayPal accounts. You can also be paid through other payment methods. When you come to the amount of commission that you are going to earn, you can see that it's 10%. And when you come here, you can see that our product starts at $897, which means you can earn up to $89.50 per sale. So, and when you come here too, you can see that when the customer purchases the product at $4,995, you can earn up to $499.50. So it depends on the amount that the customer is willing to pay for the product. So if they pay for the list price, you are going to earn $89.50 per sale. You can also come here and then filter by the commission type. So you are going to select flat fee. So you want to know the exact amount that you can earn per sale. So when you come here, you can see this brand is going to pay you $5. When you get a sale, you can see $50, you can see $20, you can see $20, $5. So it depends on the brand that you are promoting. When you come here, you can see $5, you can see $500, you can see $20. So there are many products here. When you come to, you can go to page 2, page 3, and many others to find different brands that are willing to pay you to promote their products. When you come to this product, we are going to come to the details. So when you come to the details of this product, you can see that this product is a drop shipping course. You can see courses and coaching for Shopify store owners. So this product is about drop shipping. You can see, you can come here and read more information about the product. So they are going to train people how to use Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Snapchat Ads, Pinterest Ads to promote their drop shipping business. So this is a drop shipping product. So as you scroll, you can see more information about the product. So once you now get more information about the product, the next thing is that you are going to come here and then click on apply, so that you can be accepted as an affiliate to this particular product. So once you become an affiliate, you can then promote this product to earn a commission. So you are going to come right here and click on apply. Once you click on apply, you are going to enter your first name, last name, email address, password, and then confirm your password. Once you confirm your password, you are going to come here and click on apply, and you are going to get your affiliate link. Now once you get your affiliate link, the next thing is that you are now going to promote this product. So here we are not going to be using free traffic. We are going to find a way to get this product in front of a lot of audience so that we can make money every day. You can see as I search for Shopify stores, you can see that the first 4 headlines are all ads. You can see this one is an ad, this one is an ad, this one is an ad, and this one is an ad. So you know Google is the most visited website in the world, so you have to find a way of getting the product on the first page of Google. So let's search for the product. As you can see, when I search for the product merchant mastering, you can see that there is no ad here, which means when we set up a Google ad, we are likely going to be ranked on the first page of Google. As you can see, there's no ad here, so we are not going to be competing with a lot of people. So when you set up a Google ad, you can be ranked on the first page of Google when people search for merchant mastering. So what we are going to do is that we are now going to go to googleads.com. you are going to start creating an ad for this product so that you can make money every day with this particular product. So once you come to Google Ads, you are going to create a campaign for the product. So you are going to come right here and click on new campaign. So you click on that new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that we are going to select website traffic. So once you select website traffic, you are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this, and what we are going to do is that we want people to search for the product or related keywords so that our ad can be displayed to those people. So we are going to select search. So once you click on search, you are going to now enter your affiliate link here. So you are going to build a simple landing page and enter the link to your affiliate product here. Or if you have a website, so that you don't have to paste direct affiliate links here, you have to build a simple landing page for it. So once you paste your landing page here or your website, you are going to now click on continue. So you are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue here, you are going to deselect this option because you don't want Google to just throw your ad anywhere. You want people to actually search for the keywords. So you are going to leave it with search network. So people have to search for certain keywords before your ad will be displayed to them. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down and come here. This is very important, the location. So you are going to select a location that you are likely to get sales. So you are going to be targeting tier 1 countries. So we have United States, we have Canada, we have Australia, we have New Zealand. Those are tier 1 countries that you can target to get sales. You see the product is costly, so you are going to be targeting countries where you are likely to get sales. So if you target developing countries, you might not get sales and you will be wasting your budget. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come here and then select enter another location. So here you are going to search for Canada. So let's search for that, Canada. So as you can see Canada here, and you are going to click on target. The next country is that you are going to search for United Kingdom. So you can see United Kingdom right here. The next location is that we are going to search for United States. So you can come here and then click on target. You can target as many countries as you want, but make sure you target tier 1 countries so that you can get sales. So let me add another one, Australia. So let's target that. So now we have our location in place. The next thing is that you are going to come here and then select the language. So you are going to leave it as English. So if your ad is in English, you have to leave it as English. If it is not in English, you can close this and then select the language of the ad. Google is not going to translate your ad, so make sure you target people who speak English. So the next thing is that you are going to come right here, the budget. Here you are going to enter a budget that you can afford per day. So if you can afford $5, $50, $100, so it depends on the amount that you can afford. So you have to enter that amount here. So let's begin with a small amount. You are going to enter $10. So here we are not going to waste money. We are going to test the product. If you are getting sales, you can increase your budget to reach a lot of people, then you can be making money. So you are going to enter $10 per day. Once you enter the budget, you are going to come right here and then you are going to select a target cost per action, that is cost per click. So you have to tell Google the amount that you want to pay per every click. If you leave it unchecked, Google is going to determine the cost per click, and you know Google is a business, so they are going to do what favors them. So here you are going to select the amount that you are willing to pay. So let's begin with a lower byte. So if you are not getting impression, you can come and then edit the ad and then increase it a little bit. You can start with anything from 10 cents. You can also increase a little bit because you don't want to over lower the cost per click, because if you over lower it, you are not going to get any impressions. Let's begin with 20 cents. So once that is done, the next thing is the add extension. So we don't need add extensions, so we are going to click on save and continue. So you click on that. You are going to name your ad group, so you can just put any name here. So I just put something like drop shipping one. Once that is done, you are going to now scroll down and come here, and you are going to enter your keywords. So this is very important. You want to target specific people, not everyone who searches something on Google. So you are going to target certain keywords that you want people to search before your ad will be displayed to them. The product is an online course. You can target a keyword like Shopify store. You can target a keyword like Shopify courses, so that you can get people who are searching for those keywords. Once you have your keywords, you are going to paste them here. I have my keywords already, so I'm going to paste it here for you to see. So you're going to paste your keywords here. So as you can see, these are the keywords that I'm targeting. If you leave the keywords just like this, you are not going to get better results. When you put quotation mark right here on a particular keyword, you are telling Google that you want people to search for this phrase before they display your ad. So when you put a symbol like this in front and behind a keyword, you are telling Google that they should display your ad to people who search for this exact word. So as you can see on the horn, so when you come here, that is for exact match. When you leave a keyword like this, it means anyone who search for a related keyword, Google is going to display your ad. So this is broad match, so you don't have to leave your keywords like that, because you are going to be getting people who click through your ad without being interested in the product. So you are going to either use the exact match, or you are going to use phrase match, so that you can get specific people to click through your ad. So you are going to be using the quotation marks. Let's use that. So you are going to put them in front and behind a keyword. So let's come right here. Okay, so you are going to be doing this, and certain keywords you are going to be using the exact match. So let's use the exact match for this keyword. So you are going to enter that right here. Once you enter that, come behind it, and you are going to enter this symbol. So as you can see, the first keyword is a phrase match, the third one is phrase match, and then we are leaving the fourth one as broad. So let's use exact match for this keyword. So as you can see, that is done. As you can see on the keywords, we now have phrase match, we have exact match, we have broad match. So certain keywords you have to make it exact match, so that you can increase your possibility of getting sales. So now once you enter your keywords, you are going to come here and click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you are going to see a page like this. So once you see a page like this here, you are going to now give a headline to your ad. So as you can see here, right here, you are going to give a simple headline to your ad. So here we are going to add a headline like merchant mastery. Once that is done, for the second headline, you're going to enter something like Shopify dropshipping course. So you can add another headline here right here. So the third headline, I'm going to put something like Shopify courses for beginners. So let's target that. So Shopify courses for beginners. So I am going to leave it with this headline. So the next thing is that you are going to come here and write a simple description. So when you go back to the product that you are promoting, you can get a description for your ad. So as you can see, this is the first description of the ad. So you are going to put a simple description like this. As you can see, Merchant Mastery is a 8-week training and coaching program for Shopify store owners. So you are going to put a simple description like this. So the next description, you are going to talk about what this course is going to offer to the Shopify owners when they purchase the product. So you are going to write some brief information about the product here. So the next description, you are going to put a simple description like that: how to run Facebook, Google, Snapchat and Pinterest ads that leads to sales. So you are also going to leave a description like this. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to select the position of this description. So you are going to come here and then you are going to select the position of it on pin position. So you don't want to pin this particular description to any position. So we want Google to alternate these two descriptions so that they can get the one that will likely get people to click through the ad. So we are going to leave it like that. What you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, and then here you are going to pin the position of the first headline. So here you are going to pin it. So we want it to be position number 1. We want to select that. So I'm going to pin this, the first headline at the first position, and the 2 headlines I'm going to leave it so that Google can be alternating them to get the best results for me. You can see this is the preview of the ad. You can see this is how it is going to look like. As you can see, Google is alternating the position of the 2 headlines, and you can see the description as well. So as you can see, so with this you are going to get maximum results for your ad. So once you fill all the needed information, remember to enter your URL here, that is your affiliate link, maybe your landing page or your website. Make sure you enter that here. So you have to still paste it here as you did at the beginning. So once you enter all the details, the next thing is that you are going to click on done. So once you click on done, you are going to click on save and continue. So you are going to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, you are going to now click here and then publish your ad. So you are going to click on publish, and your ad is going to go live on Google. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching, and we shall meet in another video.